Next topic beta, to find out the source of electricity in torch. This one is a torch. Okay, so material required torch with cells. Okay, so procedure for what you will do for that, take a torch and open its this one screw cap. Okay, and look inside it. What do you see inside it? 2, 3 or 4 cell will be there depending on the battery size. Okay, then put the screw cap back of body of torch and press the switch on. What you will see? Bulb will glow. Yes or no? Okay, when you remove the cells, then bulb will not glow, but when you put back cell inside the battery, then what you will see? Bulb will glow. So battery cell supply require electricity to the bulb. Next thing beta, electric cell or battery cell. We have seen above the electricity cell, battery cell as a source of electricity. Before describing this thing, we will perform an activity to locate the two terminals of the cell. So first of all, we should know about the cell's terminal. Generally there are two terminals of battery. One is positive terminal, second is negative terminal. Okay, understand? Next thing, to find out the correct arrangement of a cell in a torch. Beta, for using the cell, we should know about firstly about the which terminals are used and how that terminal are attached with each other. Okay, so when we use two or more cell connected in series, then this thing is called battery. Okay, so how we join that cells, this will read in this activity, any correct arrangement of cell in torch. So first of all, take a torch containing 2 or 3 cells, open the screw cap the same way as in we have done in previous activity, and insert the cell in the following two ways, one way and second way. Okay, in first way, here is a negative terminal, positive terminal, then again negative terminal, and then again positive terminal, in this way. In second way, positive, negative, negative, then positive. Okay, and by using that two type of arrangement inside the torch, what we will conclude that if we use first arrangement is negative, positive, negative, positive, then bulb will glow. And when you use this positive, negative, negative, positive, then bulb will not glow. Okay, so by this activity we can find out the correct arrangement of the cell inside the torch. Next thing beta, to identify the inside of a dry cell, to know about the what thing is present inside the cell, use a dead cell or dry cell or discarded cell. Okay, cut it side open and observe the inner content of it. What you will observe that a black color rod with brass cap, outer container of grayish metal, black color powder mixed with the white paste. The mixture has strong smell of ammonia. About these things we will read in next topic, which is dry cell.